Hi, welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. Anjeer is a famous ingredient in sweets as it is used as a supplementary to sugar or jaggery. Sabbu's kitchen has chosen to showcase preparation of Anjeer rolls without sugar or jaggery.
The ingredients are grinded anjeer 12 pieces, sugarless kova 3 tablespoons, elachi powder fried till 2 tablespoons. Mix the elachi powder with anjeer, roll it on a greased sheet with a rolling pin. Roll the kova in a cylindrical shape and place it on the rolled anjeer. Now roll the kova with the anjeer. Make sure it is completely covered. Cut off the edges and slice the roll in half. Finally, roll them in fried till. Sugarless and diabetic friendly Anjeer roll is ready to have.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.